Understanding the bassoon pad. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a musical term that often puzzles English language learners, the bassoon pad. If you're curious about musical instruments or want to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's explore what a bassoon pad is and why it's important in the world of music. Before we understand what a bassoon pad is, we need to know about the bassoon itself. The bassoon is a woodwind instrument with a distinctive long shape and deep sound. It's known for its rich, mellow tone, which adds depth to orchestral music. It's played by holding it vertically and blowing air through a double reed, which vibrates to produce sound. The bassoon is made up of several parts, including the bell, boot, vocal, and keys. Each key on a bassoon has a small cushion underneath it, which is essential for the proper functioning of the instrument. These cushions are known as bassoon pads. Bassoon pads are crucial for creating an airtight seal when the keys are pressed. They are usually made of felt or other soft materials covered with leather or synthetic substances. The quality and condition of these pads significantly affect the sound and playability of the instrument. If a pad is worn out or damaged, it can cause air leaks, which can lead to a poor sound or even make certain notes unplayable. Maintaining the bassoon pads is essential for any bassoonist. This includes regular cleaning and occasional replacement by a professional. Players should always handle their instruments carefully to avoid damage to the pads and should store their bassoons in a hard case when not in use to protect them from dust and humidity, which can affect the pads. We hope this video has shed light on what a bassoon pad is and its importance in playing the bassoon. Remember, the state of the bassoon pads can make a big difference in the music you create. Keep practicing and take care of your instrument. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll join us again for more English language learning tips.